Hi everyone, it's Lucretia coming to you with another 5 minute or less video from the One Stop Business Shop. The system that we're going to talk about today is called Blessed by Aloha. Here you'll see there is a video that explains now. There's a huge join now button. At the bottom, it gives you some background information about the system. It shows you the comp plan, tells you the processors, and gives you different banner ads that you can see when you join. So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to register an account. I'm going to go ahead and click on the join button here at the top. And the first thing that you want to do is make sure that in this space right here, it is showing you who your sponsor is. So for the purpose of this video, we're just going to do a test account. I'm going to enter some generic information in here. Of course, you're not going to do that. You're going to enter all the correct information because you want to make sure that you're getting notifications. The way this system is set, it is set as such that every time you have a new member in your downline or you receive a pending payment, you're automatically going to receive a Gmail or, an email letting you know that you've got some activity back there. So again, you want to make sure that you're using the correct information. And again, this is just a test account. So I've entered all this, first name, last name, address, all of that information, and then, of course, the security code, and I'm going to click Join Blessed by Aloha. All right, says thank you for registering. Your account has now been activated. So now we're just going to go in and we're going to put the username and password that we created and click the login button. So this page is actually the dashboard page. So if I click dashboard, it's going to bring me right back to this page. The first thing that you want to see here, you're going to want to see here is your referral link. This is what you're going to share with other people. On this page, it actually gives you instructions. So you don't really have to worry about if you're doing anything right. You'll just actually follow the instructions here. Also, it tells you right here, step 1, step 2. It's pretty much all you got to do. So we're going to move right along to step 1, and we're going to set up our payment information. So the PayPal address we're going to use is noemail@gmail.com for the purpose of this. And then we're going to go right here to the password field, and we're going to enter the same password that we used when we set up our account. And then we're going to click the update button. Now here it says your payment details has been updated successfully. So we're all done with step 1. We're going to move right along to step 2, which is purchase pack. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now with this system, there are only 3 levels. And you see this little drop down button here? This is how you get to level 1, level 2, and then level 3. That's it. So for the purpose of this, we're going to go ahead and click on purchase level 1, which is $2. Now here it says, thanks for purchasing Plumera position. Just make the payment of $2 by clicking on pending transactions link. And that means these words right here. So you're going to click on pending transactions. Excuse me. And if you scroll down, it's going to give you the email address. It's going to give you the person's username. That's what you see here, the username of the person. And that's important because a lot of us like to go into the chat that we have and tell the person using their username that we're sending to that we have sent a payment to them. Here it gives the PayPal email, so you'll want to copy that if you're sending PayPal. Or if you're sending Bitcoin, you're going to want to copy that information. Okay, so once you get to this part, you have to literally go over, leave the site, go over to paypal.com or blockchain or Bitcoin, whatever payment processor you're going to use to send the money, the $2. You're going to want to go over to that particular payment processor. Once you get to the new payment processor, you are going to want to sign into your account. Okay? You're going to sign into your account. And I get this question all the time. How do I fill this out? So you're going to click log in, enter your PayPal information. You're going to log in. And of course, my system is going slow. This happens every single time I do a video. It never ceases to fail. All right. So looks like we're in. So now that we're here, and this is a business account, you're going to click on the word money in this particular account, the way that this account is set up. You're going to click on money. Okay. You're going to send or request. Excuse me. Got a cold. You're going to click on send or request. And it will be the same in either kind of PayPal account, whether it's a business account or whether it is a personal account. It's going to be send or request. Now, this page is going to give you options. Are you sending friends and family, or are you sending to a business like you're making a purchase? Well, you're not paying for goods or services. You're actually going to be sending money to friends and family, because all of us are friends on Facebook, and many of the people that are joining you are going to be your family. So now when you get to this page right here, remember, you've copied this link. Some people, if you got to write it down, you can write it down, but I normally highlight it, right click, and then left click the word copy so I don't get it wrong. And then I right click, left click, and paste it in there, and click next. And then you're going to send $2. Okay, put your $2 in there and click continue. Now once you click continue, it's going to say the money has been sent. You're going to come back over to summary, and we're just going to use this particular payment because there was money that was sent. So you're going to click on summary, and then you'll see where the payment was actually sent. And here it's going to give you a transaction ID number. You can either write that down because you're going to need it, or you can highlight it, right click, left click on the word copy, and then you'll go back over to the site and you're going to right click, right click, and then left click, paste it in here. In this middle box, you're going to put in whatever PayPal email address you sent it from. So for this tutorial, we use the justme202@gmail.com. And they're going to click submit details. Okay. Now it says your details have been submitted and they are waiting for the approval from the receiver. So at that point, you're going to contact either your sponsor, or you're going to go into the chat and you're going to tell that username, for instance, in this video was Team Aloha, that you just sent the $2, you submitted the details, and you want them to approve your payment. Hey guys, that's how you register your account. You're going to just, follow step 1 and step 2. It's really that easy. If you have any other trouble, please refer to the chat. There's people that are in there all day, every day. They're there to help you. Definitely use them as a resource and a guide. No one is never left alone here in the system. So we all work closely together. Again, that's how you register your account for the Blessed by Aloha system. Thank you for watching, and I hope your earnings are very plentiful.